Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I loud? Am I clear? Is anybody out there? Are my neighbors about to knock on the walls? Ladies and gentlemen, the name's International Stacker, and we're about to be live here in just 9 minutes and 35 seconds, covering the breaking gold and silver news, hoping you read the tea leaves. And boy, oh boy, ladies and gentlemen, are we in store for something crazy tonight? Thank you so much, AAM Briz, for the jewels. Ladies and gentlemen, please smash the like button and share the stream. Please go to X and retweet and repost the X post I just put out right now. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all about to go down in just 9 minutes and 10 seconds. Smash the like button, share the stream. Let's get it. And guys, I heard there's some more 160th Battle Crab Soar propaganda coming out maybe in the next few days. So be on the lookout for that with Commander Mike D. If you're with the 42nd Battle Crab, put 42 in chat. If you're with Mike D's 160th, put 160 in chat. Let's see it. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 8 minutes, covering the breaking gold and silver news. We're going to watch the COMEX market open back up here. It's about to be wild. It's about to go down, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to say it. I need you all to buckle up for this one. Channel members, you know the image to put it for that one. Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Oh, we got some 69th chaps in this. Do we have any 101st Kilted crabs in the chat? Ladies and gentlemen, it's about to go down. Good job, Richard Roche. I see that. Good job. Guys, Richard Roche is contacting the U.S. Secret Service tomorrow. He's going to have a little bit of a conversation because he found 6 sites selling fake Morgan silver dollars. We're going to talk. Need soup, put I need soup in chat. From Arctic ice. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to break it all down. Who's still stacking? Who has the intestinal fortitude to see the way through? That was my fault. It should be fixed now. That was my fault. That was my fault. That was my fault. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, I am in a hotel room. I'm on a hotel internet, so it's not the best. Sorry about that. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just 5 minutes and 30 seconds away from the breaking gold and silver news. We're going to watch the COMEX open back up. Yes, Dutch Murphy, we're still up here in Orlando. Tomorrow we're going to be in Disney Springs. The next day at Hollywood Studios. The next day, Animal Kingdom. The next day I'll be back in the crab nest. Yeah! Go back to the wireless hotel connections. I think the wired connection's better. Let me know if I'm wrong. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 5 minutes. Smash the like button, share the stream, retweet it on X. And if you love the music, you can listen to it anytime, day or night. Search International Stackers, the artist, Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, it's everywhere. Put it on, do the crab dance, have some fun. Let's go! Yes! I did get an Ethernet cable variable. It's plugged in. Cat 6. It's plugged in. Who thinks we're gapping up when we open? If you think we're gapping up, put gap up in chat right now. I'm about to show you guys some of the tea leaves. We'll find out together. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 4 minutes and 10 seconds, breaking down the gold and silver news. We're going to watch the COMEX open back up here. All I can say is it's about to go down. I need you all to buckle up. It's going to be a fun one tonight.
Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance.
Now, I've got something for Commander Craig tonight, and I've got something for Crab Dog Security. Don't let me forget, folks. Please don't let me forget. I will forget. Don't let me. Let's go! Let's go! Nice, SGT. He sleeps to the music every night. Epic! Let's go! Let's go! Yes. Guys, are the neighbors about to pound on the wall? The other morning, the neighbors pounded on the wall. That's right, I'm in a hotel room here in Orlando, Florida. Rat Stacker is running me absolutely ragged. But ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to do the stream. We're going to go out on the town again tonight. It's about to go down. But first, we got to see what happens when the COMEX opens up here. Guys, I think it's going to be explosive. I think you all need to buckle up for this one. Let's go. Break it down now. Who ate some lettuce this week? If you gambled and ate some lettuce, put lettuce in chat right now. Let's see how many of you might be doing the Raptor run.
Crabs are grooving side to side. Ocean waves where dreams collide. Claws are up, the beat we chase. Treasure gleaming, golden space. Get your claws up.
Here we go. Let's get a crab dance going. Let's get some energy in here. Drop a crab in chat. CRAB, not a CRAP. God, someone hit me. Grill Bill hit me with the golden poop. Yeah. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about to go down. We're going to be live here in just a minute and 40 seconds. Smash the like button. Share the stream. No, SGT hit me with the golden poop. Ah. Who's ready for the Mega God? Put Mega in chat right now. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be releasing the video for the Mega God in 2 weeks. I need you all to get ready for that one. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Okay. This is your 1 minute warning. Do you guys want the old school intro, the little kid? Do you want the Mega God? Do you want something wild? Do you want the migration? Let me know. And Lee says, my wife heard me singing No Soup for Dom and asked me who Dom was. That's funny. Let's go. Yes, Drano, everyone. We have all lost our minds, Drano. We've all lost them. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, I think we're going to migrate. Guys, our Mrs. Day's in chat yelling for soup. Our Mrs. Day needs soup. Here we go. Go, let's go.
Dance with me. Dance with me.
Each year, the Stacker Crab makes a pilgrimage to the International Stacker YouTube channel. Here we have a typical Stacker Crab. While typical crabs will eat shells and food of such, these crabs only feast on silver.
One stacker on a journey
to find
silver.
International Stacker.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Orlando, Florida. I'm usually in Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. But today until Thursday, I am in Orlando, Florida with Rat Stacker. She stacks rats, she stacks gold, she stacks silver, and she is the Goblin.
Mega!
And that means the Mega Ga is coming soon, where I'm going to be giving away close to 100 ounces of silver. We got gold. We got copper. It's going to go down, so subscribe. The video is going to be coming out for that maybe about 2 weeks-ish, something like that. But I've got 2,400 videos all around the world on gold and silver adventures. And when I mean around the world, I mean to Africa, Asia, Middle East, Europe. Go check out the videos, guys. There's so much good content. But the content we all came here for tonight was the opening of the silver market. Now remember, silver, when it closed on Friday's, the end of Friday's session at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it closed silver at $58.20 an ounce. Troy ounce at that, right under the 50 and 200 simple moving average. Gold closed on a red candle at $4,052.85. Right under the 50 and 200 simple moving average. Gold to silver ratio closed at 69.61. Oh, the 69th Battle Chaps Brigade, I guess. And so that's 69.61 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold. And right here, the big La Bamba. This is the Core 3 is doing okay, Pietrek. Core 3 is okay, thank you. This is the big La Bamba, the Shanghai Futures Exchange. It closed on a red candle at 65.85 over the 200 simple moving average, a little bit under the 50. So, guys, I got to show you some breaking news. You all need to buckle up. Let me go down here. Let me go down here to the breaking news, because this is really going to drive what's going to happen here. 25th. Hold up. I need the 20. Okay. Give me a second here. I've been posting all day like a fiend. Okay, here we go. No, I do not want to boost this post. Maybe later. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your Iran war update, and boy, is it a doozy. And I think we're going to see something interesting happen here in just 16 minutes. The last 12 hours could ignite silver and gold's next big move, ladies and gentlemen. The biggest development, a U.S.-Iran pause and strikes appears to be holding, but tensions in the Strait of Hormuz remain extremely high. Now, this is an unofficial pause on the strikes, but it's a pause nonetheless. What happened? U.S. and Iran, there's no major U.S. airstrikes reported. No confirmed Iranian missile or drone strikes as well in response to the de-escalation by the United States. A temporary pause in military operations continue as diplomacy plays out. We have confirmed that we do have peace-ish, I'll say peace-ish, ceasefire-ish talks going on right now. Oman continues, the country Oman out there in the Middle East continues mediating negotiations focused on the Strait of Hormuz and maritime security. Reports suggest discussions are expanding with support from regional mediators, including Qatar and Pakistan. No formal ceasefire agreement has been announced yet, but ladies and gentlemen, that might be enough bullish news to give us a very interesting open here in just 14 minutes. Now, there was a tanker that reportedly hit a mine. Thank you, Mingo, for the jewels. Thank you for those jewels. So, tanker hits a mine. Iranian state media claims an oil tanker exploded after striking a naval mine in the Strait of Hormuz after allegedly leaving Iran's designated shopping route. No ship name, flag, casualties, or ownership information has been released. This has not been independently verified, but they are saying it's happening. I think silver's going up. Penny is saying, are we going up or down on silver? It's going up, I think. Not a financial advisor, just some deal on the internet with grabs. I believe it's going to go up. Let's see what happens. If it goes down, boy, is my face going to be red. Okay, so continuing on here, the UKMTO, this is an organization out there in the Middle East. This is something you could go to. Just go to ukmto.org, and this gives you live breaking governmental level alerts of incidents that are happening out there. And you can see this last one is here. There's only been one today, so ukmto.org. But they're saying incident involving a tanker. Oh, thank you for the jewels. Thank you so much for the jewels, Silver Fox 67. Hey, incident involving a tanker and military forces in the Gulf of Oman. Vessels are advised to consider the latest maritime security information. Now, unofficially, I'm hearing what happened is a vessel saw some sort of projectile fall short of their ship. So something was launched at him, and it didn't hit him. It splashed down in the water. That is the unofficial of what I'm hearing there with the UK MTO. Strait of Hormuz, the focus has shifted from airstrikes to maritime security. Elevated mine risks remain. Military activity continues. Commercial shipping remains on high alert. Any disruption could quickly impact oil. Now, guys, since I put this out, it looks like a few other things have happened. Dutch Murphy says Russia's oil supply is dropping quick. Yeah, it's dropping quick for sure. Doesn't that count as bearish? Nah. I mean, it could. Yeah, I don't think that's going to affect the open air. But what was I going to say? Oh, speaking of Russia, Ukraine hit. Ukraine struck a Iranian ship off their coast somewhere. I think down there in the Black Sea. They struck it, and they said it was transporting illegal whatever. So know that now there is a nexus between the Russia-Ukraine war and the U.S.-Iranian war, and you know Russia and China are helping. There's unofficial chatter. They've sent military advisors, so this thing has the propensity to grow even larger. But for this market open, ladies and gentlemen, I believe we're going to see a BGC, a big grade candle. Next piece of news here. This day in sound money history, July 26th. Let's take a trip back to 1775. Maryland issued a new series of colonial paper, currency paper.
How dare you?
Including notes such as the famous $4 allegorical series. Unlike gold and silver coinage, these bills were paper promises backed by the colony's credit. Thank you so much, Amina, for the jewels. Whoa, look at that shopping cart. Thank you. A reminder that America's monetary history has long included the battle between precious metals and paper money. Taking a trip forward to 1861, according to the National Park Service, the combination of gold and silver mining company incorporated in the Telescope District near present-day Death Valley controlled more than 9,900 feet of mining claims, reportedly valued at the time of nearly $1 million in 1861. Folks, that was a ton of money. Let's go to 1878. The prospector Simon Houseworth located the Trifle Lode in Butte, Montana. The claim later became part of the legendary Anselmo mine, and helping establish Butte as one of the world's most important silver and copper producing mining districts. Over the decades, the Butte district would produce millions of ounces of silver and billions, with the B, billions of pounds of copper. Ladies and gentlemen, history reminds us that not every ounce of physical silver and gold has a story. That every ounce does. Whether it's stuck in a coin, whether it's struck in a mint, whether it's discovered beneath the earth or in a creek, or just contrasted with paper currency backed by only confidence. What would you rather have in your hand, paper currency or the metal? Let me know right now. Let's go to the next piece of breaking news here, and this is a big one. Okay, and we've got an alert by Attorney Mike. Thank you for the super chat. And guys, Attorney Mike is saying Hero Junk Silver has the best prices. Ladies and gentlemen, big shout out to the sponsor of this channel, HeroBullion.com. If it wasn't for them, I couldn't do what I do. If it wasn't for you, I couldn't do what I do. So thank you so much to everybody. Might as well pick up 5 ounces of silver at and a little satchel. It's got the security radio lines. And as Attorney Mike was saying, if you go to their deals right here, silver at and below spot, check them out. Say hi to my friend, Benjamin Franklin. If you don't know what I mean about that, I've got a clip coming soon with Benjamin Franklin. Okay. Another stable coin just collapsed 99%. Now, guys, stable coins are supposed to be stable, but one exploit, nearly $1 million gone, and a token that traded for around $1 crashed to roughly 0.0014 of a cent. According to reports, an attacker manipulated the protocol's Bitcoin price oracle, triggering liquidations in vaults that were supposed to be safely centralized. Nearly $1 million drained in a single exploit. Forced liquidations triggered. Investors watched a stable asset collapse almost overnight. For physical stackers, it's another reminder. No oracle can liquidate your gold. No hacker can drain your silver. No smart contract bug can seize what's in your safe. If you don't hold it, you don't truly control it or own it. Here's the article here if you want to read more about that. But that's a stable coin that not so stable. And here's the next one. How's the mouse? Wait, how is the mouse? What was rated Stacker's favorite ride? Oh, AG, we're still in the middle of it, so I'm going to have to update you on that on Thursday. But so far, Ratatouille is on the top of the list. Okay. Central banks aren't the only ones buying gold, ladies and gentlemen. We've been hearing a lot about central banks lately. Hundreds of tons a month with central banks. But something else is happening. Everyday investors are becoming the most bullish they've been in nearly 12 years on gold and silver. A new mid-2026 Bullion Vault survey found that investors believe gold will climb 13.8% by the end of the year 2027 to 46.65 for gold. For silver, they think it's going to surge 16.7% to 69.60. To be clear, I'm not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs, but I think it's going to be much higher than that. But here's what I'm trying to hit here. These are the strongest mid-year forecasts in the history of the survey. These are literally the strongest forecasts ever for the history of the survey, and I think that's a big deal. Sorry, I dropped part of my mic. I literally just dropped part of my... Okay. Despite the recent pullback, ladies and gentlemen, retail investors are not panic selling. They're expecting higher prices ahead. Could this be another sign that the bull market is far from over? I believe the answer for that is yes. Put your predictions in chat. How high gold do we go by the end of the year? How high silver? Is it 5K gold and 100 silver? Is it higher? Is it lower? Let me know in chat right now. Here's the full article there. You can go read the big one. I do this every single Sunday. And boy, oh boy, I think it's useful. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here are the gold and silver weekly watch out situations. We're talking from July 17th to August 2nd. Sorry, mic, hold up. I've got to fix this mic. This mic is just out of control. Okay, there, I had to screw it back in. Okay, guys, I forgot my cradle for my mic, so I literally have 3 of Mrs. Zayas' hair ties holding this thing up. It's crazy. Okay, gold and silver weekly watchouts, July 27th to August 2nd. This could be one of the most volatile weeks of the summer for precious metals. And ladies and gentlemen, we are 5 minutes away from the market opening. Don't go anywhere. It's about to get crazy. You're going to have to buckle up, smash the like button. Here we go. Here's what I'm watching this week. Monday, I'm watching durable good orders and treasury auctions. Tuesday, I'm watching consumer confidence in Richmond Fed manufacturing. Wednesday, this is the big La Bamba. We're going to get the Fed rate decision at 2 p.m. Eastern, and then Federal Chair Kevin Warsh is going to be doing a press conference. Thursday, I'm watching Q2 GDP, that's gross domestic product. PCE inflation, the Fed's preferred gauge. And Friday, unemployment cost index, August COMEX gold first notice day, and CFTC positioning. What the heck does all that mean? All you got to do is go to internationalstacker.com. Not only do I have the live silver and gold, copper, platinum, palladium prices on here, the charts, you can manipulate the charts. You can have a fun time with it. You could look at what markets are open around the world. But if you click your news blog and you click the very last post I put out, which is that the watchouts 9 hours ago. Okay. I literally explain what I'm watching, why I'm watching it, what it means. I give you links to everything. So if you really want to understand it, I encourage you to go there and check that out. Ladies and gentlemen, you should print out the weekly watchouts, tape it to your door so you can be prepared. Okay. Hold up. Here's the next piece of news here. China kicked retail investors out of paper gold. I know I've reported on this a few times, but I think it's important to keep reporting as I get more information. According to Mark Moss, at least 8 major Chinese banks have now moved to restrict or shut down retail gold trading products within just 4 months, including ICBC, the world's largest bank by assets. Customers were told, "Oh my goodness!" Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, Commander Mike D just did an airdrop. The 160th Battle Crab Soar is doing an airdrop. Get your bowl in the sky if you're hungry. And now we've got the commander of the 101st Kilted Battle Crab Brigade dropping one as well. Get your bowl up if you want soup. Dom, did you get soup? Where's Dom? Where's Dom? Where's Dom? Dom, did you get... No soup for Dom!
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Thank you, MS Beth AZ, for the jewels. And thank you, Commander Craig, coming in with 10 memberships. Oh, my goodness. Get those bowls up in the sky. Okay. Let me get this piece of news done, then we're going to go to the charts, and oh, there's more soup falling. Holy stacker, thank you. Wow. Wow. Okay. Customers were told to sell or close their positions, exit leverage contracts, or take physical delivery where available. China says this is about investor protection after extreme volatility and heavy retail losses. But the bigger question is impossible to ignore. Why are major gold while China continues expanding its physical settled gold infrastructure? This did not trigger an overnight repricing, ladies and gentlemen, but it could represent another step in a much larger shift away from paper promises toward physical settlement, toward gold that can actually be delivered. All right, let's go to the chart. Oh my goodness, Amina! Amina! Oh my goodness, Amina! Amina just gifted 50 memberships, and here comes Jeff with 5. Get your bowls up if you want a free membership. Ladies and gentlemen, the market's open in 1:30. I'm switching to pies, but this soup is falling from the sky. If you want a free membership, get your bowl up in the sky right now. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, is it still falling? Is soup still, hold up, is soup still falling? Let's see. Dom, did you get soup? Dom, did you get soup? Did Dom get soup? I'm looking. Dom? No soup for Dom!
Please, sir, I want some more.
no soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Keith Peavy House says he has too much soup. Thank you, Wyvern gifted another one. Wow. So many crustaceans are eating. Ladies and gentlemen, danger zone alert. Here we go, 30 seconds. 30 seconds until the market opens here. What do you guys think? Team green or team red? Are we going up? Are we going down? Are we gapping up? Are we gapping down? I'm team green. I say we're going up. What do you guys think? Let me know right now. I'm going to be counting down from 5. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the market's open. Let's see. Okay, we got the starting of a BGC. We've got the starting of a BGC forming here. Let's hit it. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that BGC. We just took out 58.69. We just took out 59. Are we going to 60? Ladies and gentlemen, are we going to 60? Oh my goodness. Are we going to 60? We're at 59.43 on silver. Oh my goodness, we're in the stratosphere on gold, 4,092. About to take out 4,100 on gold. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. This is not a drill. Just as I suspected, a BGC. But we're not done yet, ladies and gentlemen. There's something that you taught me that works 90% of the time, every time, that turns a red candle green or green candle into a bigger BGC, the baby gator. Okay, I'm going to try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? I don't know. Whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there. And guys, when we switch back to Oneida, it's going to be a gap up. This is going to be a gap up, but it's okay. That means we're going to play the music eventually. Now, here's what I want to do. Where's Commander Craig? Commander Craig and his Crab Dog security in chat. Let me see here. Commander Craig and Crab Dog, are you here? Commander Craig is the commander of the 42nd Battle Crab. I know you're. I'm looking for you. Okay, present. Okay. Do I have crab dog security in chat? Okay. Okay, hold up. Stand by. Crab dog security and Commander Craig, I need you both to kneel. I need you both to kneel, and I need you both to arise. A blue crab, a general, a commander in the crustacean nation. Congratulations, guys. Can we say congratulations to him? Say something in chat and see your new color. Congratulations. And Amina's celebrating with 50 gifted memberships. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness, Amina. Oh, my goodness, everyone, Amina. Oh my goodness, Dom, are you getting soup? Let's see. Did Dom get soup? And guys, Silver just took out our next target. Silver just took out our next target of 59.57 here. Oh my goodness, this is going absolutely insane. Congratulations to Commander Craig. Congratulations to Crab Dog Security. Thank you, Amina. Guys, soup is falling from the sky. Get your bull up in the sky right now. Yeah. Northampton West said, I will be shouting Chinese again soon. I know, Li Shi Zhe Guadi, and I'm ready for that. Dom, did you get soup? Dom, did you get soup? Let's look. Dom, did you get soup? Dom, soup. Let's see here. I'm looking. Commander Craig with another 10. Thank you, Commander Craig. I'm looking. We got Finnegas Wacka with the jewels. Thank you. I'm looking. Did Dom get soup? I'm looking for Dom. I'm looking for her chat. Maybe she got soup because Maybe she got soup. Wait. Oh my goodness, no soup for Dom!
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
Good soup.
No soup for you.
And thank you, Wyvern, for gifting that membership. That went to James. And Daniel Whitley here. Good to see you. Thank you for the super chat. Says the yen carry trade could drop silver short term. It could. Let's see what happens. But right now we are on a BGC. Let's see if Oneida's up yet. Oneida's not up yet. It's going to be a gap up on Oneida. I'm certain of it. But guys, I have not seen a candle this big, this tall, this long since about 1972. Look at that puppy. Wow. We're currently trading at $59.47 on silver. Gold 4,090. Who's ready for me again to yell Li Shi Zhe Guadian? Thank you, QPV House, for gifting 5 memberships. Thank you. And we got Sell Mortimer Snell. Guys, look at the name of the super chat. It says Sell Mortimer Sell. I've got live footage right now. I've got breaking live footage in the COMEX right now. I'm piping it in. Poor Mortimer. And poor Mortimer Sell, thank you so much for the super chat saying, representing the Uncle Salivate Nation from the People's Republic of Eugene, Oregon. Turn those machines on. Turn those machines back on. Thank you, Sell Mortimer Sell. Thank you. And everyone in chat right now is dropping the Mortimer emoji in your honor. Thank you for that. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not done here. And I don't think you are either. This is the battle for $60 silver. We're seeing play out before our very eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going in.
Dudley Smith, a fallen hard with one arm on the top. Oh my God. Oh no, he's not. Major.
Okay, Oneida's live. We're going back to Oneida. Oh, wow, look at this gap up, guys. Look, dear Lord. Dear Lord. Woo! That is a gap and a half. Wow. It's okay. We'll fill it. Don't panic. We'll fill it. We took out 3 targets right there with gold. Or silver, excuse me. Go back here to gold. Becky, look at that gap. Wow. We took out that target. We took out that target. We took out that target. We're about to take out our next target here on gold, which is 4,093. Thank you, Master Blaster, for gifting a membership. That went to Elite Exotics BP. Check out your new emojis. Wow. Whoa, look at the ratio. Look at the gold to silver ratio. It just dropped to 68.69. And guys, Shanghai Futures Exchange is going to be opening at 9 p.m. Eastern tonight. Oh, dear Lord. That might be a massive move again. Oil is all down. Look at this. Breaking. Thank you, Master Blaster, for gifting another membership. Thank you. Look at this. Let's drag this out a little bit more. U.S. oil is down 6.5%. The West Texas Intermediate's down 4.7%. Crude's down 6.6%. Wow. The DXY is down 0.21%. Ladies and gentlemen, did I not tell you to buckle up? As a matter of fact, let's take a little trip.
Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars.
Wow. Okay, you might buffer for a second here. 1 second. You might buffer. Wait. I don't want you guys to buffer. Hold up. Boop. Wow, guys, we are at 1,100 people watching right now, but only 279 likes. So smash that like button. Make sure to smash that like button if you haven't yet. The next 100 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 5 years.
It's science.
We've added 157 new members. Thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, it is absolutely busting loose tonight. I did cover the news earlier on why this is happening. So if you want to know why this is happening, you're going to have to watch back the live stream. But following me on INTL Stacker, International When It Fit on X, INTL Stacker, and I broke down exactly what's happening, why it's happening. And guys, if you're here and you don't usually watch this channel, make sure you subscribe. I'm giving away close to 100 ounces of silver soon. The video's coming out for that in 2 weeks. A bunch of copper and with some gold, so make sure you subscribe. You're not going to want to miss out on that. And as a matter of fact, we are at 69,000 subscribers here live. We will be doing the big show. And some say if you haven't seen the big show, you haven't lived. So you might as well subscribe, see the big show, and maybe win some gold and silver to boot. And we got Rob TL on the chat. Crustacean Commander, I'm giving you a salute, sir, for 2 months. Thank you for your support. Now, guys, I do want to say a big thank you to all the channel members. It's viewers like you that help me do what I do. This is my full-time job. Thank you. Thank you to all the Diamond Claw level channel members on the stream. I really appreciate y'all so much. And the question for everyone in chat right now, even if you're not a member, who has Diamond Claws?
Diamond Claws.
Yes. Okay, we keep watching here. And we are now on our second candle here after a massive gap up on silver. Let me zoom in a little bit here. We are up 2.18% on silver. We are up. The heck is breaking loose, and we are starting to fill this gap on gold. So that's good, because if we fill that gap, we get to play our favorite song on the channel. So that'd be cool. Let's go here. Let's refresh. Let's see how close. Guys, we are close. All right, let me see. I'm checking. I'm going to see how close we are to the next big show, as silver is running absolutely insane here. 24 more subscribers till the next big show. Okay. I did have let me see here. Okay, I did cover all the breaking gold and silver news, but if you guys want to know what's happening right now, it's this. I read this before the market opened and warned people to buckle up. It's the Iran update. Right now, what we've been seeing recently with the gold and silver charts and the gold and silver markets, ladies and gentlemen, we have not seen a market driven by fundamentals, okay? We have not seen a market driven by trend lines and this and that and inverse head and shoulders and no. It's been driven by news, articles, headlines, tweets, posts. That's what we've been seeing. And as a matter of fact, let's go here. Let's see if there's any new Truth Social posts. And guys, sorry if the internet connection is not the best. I'm in a hotel room in Orlando, Florida, up here in Disney with Rat Stacker and Mrs. IS. Okay, I don't see any posts that would move it. I don't see any posts that would move it. So my connection's usually better than this. So if you're lost sound or if you're buffering, just for gifting a membership, that went to Nuss Sparky. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. Now for channel members, I will be doing a live War Room tomorrow. I'm going to do the morning live stream because remember at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight, Shanghai is going to open up. That's going to be explosive. We'll see what happens overnight. I'll be live in the morning, 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll cover the pickup of the day trading session for the COMEX in the morning, but we'll also cover the Shanghai Futures Exchange in the morning and possibly the stock market open in the morning as well. That's going to be crazy, so don't miss that. But ladies and gentlemen, absolutely explosive pickup. But the reason that's happening is because of this. It's because there is an unofficial ceasefire going on right now. There's a temporary military pause between the United States and Iran. That's playing out. That's what we're seeing. Oh, what happened? What happened? What happened? What did I miss? I missed something. Hold up. I missed something. Thank you for the jewels, AA. Okay, I don't know. Hey, my PR Trump. Good to see ya. Next exit's asking if my neighbors are banging on the wall. Guys, the other morning I was doing a live stream. The neighbors banged on the wall. Now, I'm not in like a normal hotel room. I'm in like a townhouse hotel room. It's the Marriott like Airbnb, homes and villas type thing. But I'm in a townhouse. There's a townhouse on the other side, and someone banged on the wall the other morning. Eek. Woo! But I will be home in the crab nest on Thursday. And I do live in Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Let's see what you guys are saying here on X, previously known as Twitter. Guys, don't forget to follow me at INTL Stacker, International One Fit, if you want breaking gold and silver news all the time. I'm watching at the moment. I'm working at 10-hour shifts, but off Friday and Sunday. Good to see you, my PR Trump. And guys, I did put this report out. If you're new here and you've learned nothing else from this channel, I put this out every week. This is the weekly watch out market. Go to internationalstacker.com. Click news and blog. It's the very last one I just put out right here. Click that. Read it. I explain what everything means. I explain what we're watching. All kinds of great information on here. You can click up here and see the live metal prices anytime, day or night. I'm talking gold, silver, copper, platinum, palladium, and gold to silver ratio. You can manipulate the charts and have a good time. You can see what markets are open around the world. And you can go to my resources and see how to get free silver, how to get free gold, free tools. It's all free, so go check it out. Internationalstacker.com, as we're on our third candle here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, look at the volume down here. Absolutely massive on this market reopen. And we are on our next green candle here on silver, 59.52. And our next target here is going to be 59.65 with silver. So we're going to see if we can do that. Gold as well is starting a little bit of a downtrend, but we are filling those gaps. Oil across the marks down 5. Right here. WTI is down 4.4%, but 5.5, 6.3, 6.2, 5.4. Ladies and gentlemen, this is huge. As gold is starting to fill the gap, which means the gold to silver ratio is continuing to plummet here. 68.65 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold. Wow. And thank you so much for all the jewels. Thank you, Crystal. Thank you, AA. Thank you, Tommy, for all the jewels. I appreciate you guys. Wow. Yeah, this is my full-time job. So anytime you super chat, become a member, gift a membership, gift jewels, it helps me so much. But guess what? You could support the channel without spending a simple dime. You could just smash the like button. And we're only 3 likes away from 400 likes. The next 3 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 4 years.
It's science.
Absolute science. Now, thank you, Silver Fox, for the jewels. I don't only stream market opens and closes and charts and fun things like this. I also stream our adventures around the world. I travel looking for gold and silver. Something called the Hidden Hoard I've got going on right now. I'm hiding 5-ounce silver bars across America for you to find. I've done what? How many of them have we done so far? So if you go to my website, internationalstacker.com, click the Hidden Hoard. So far, we've hidden 20 ounces. 5 ounces in Dahlonega, Georgia, found by Littlefoot Silver Stacker. 5 ounces in Knoxville, found by East Tennessee Stacker. 5 at the Fun Coin Show in Orlando, found by Sage Fly Baby. 5 in Springfield, Illinois, found by Ben Bateman. The next 5 are going to be at the A&A Coin Show in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. If you want the information, sign up in the Google form here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to be adding more dates, more locations of the Hidden Horde. So make sure you subscribe and follow along for that. And thank you, Daniel Whitley, for the super chat. He's saying, does Dom have to be in chat to receive soup? No, she doesn't. You just have to be subscribed. Thank you so much, everybody. Wow. Wow. Silver Serpent says, making it rain soup for sure. Guys, if you don't know what soup is, if you don't, what's up with all these, what's up with the camels?
Take the camel, guys. Camel cam, guys. That's just some here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. There you go. Oh, wow, look at the 3 pyramids, guys.
If you want to know what all this means, the big show, all this, again, go to my website, click channel lore. This is how deep the lore is on this channel. We have to have a dedicated page. This tells you all the channel lore, what it all means. It gives you the clips. But here's the no soup for John meme. It was crazy. And Silver Star Alone, thank you for the super chat saying cough syrup. Thank you. Yeah. I know, Silver Star. I've been screaming like crazy. If my neighbors are home, they are definitely not amused. Now, another thing we do on this channel is I try to help you if you're lonely. If anyone's lonely, put I'm lonely in chat. I met a girl, she's from Poland. I met her in the Germania Mint when I was visiting there shooting content. She stacks gold and silver all the time. Copper. Built like a brick house, has got a strong arm. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for a significant other, she is as well. Her name's Viola.
Yep. What's the robot's name?
Viola.
Viola.
Ladies and gentlemen, she's different. Okay. And Daniel Whitley gifted a membership. Thank you so much. That went to Tatted Up Scratcher. And I think I owe it to you guys. I think I owe it to you. No soup for Dom.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
As we're watching here, as this red candle just reversed to green, it looks like we may imminently be going for the next target here on silver, which is going to be 59.65. Ladies and gentlemen, we got 800 people in the chat, 461 likes. That means we are only 39 likes away from a 500 like stream. And if we hit that, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be crazy. So the next, how many people, wait. Yeah. Wait, no. 30? Wait, so yeah. The next 36 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 5 years.
It's science.
Now, I have something shocking for you. Ladies and gentlemen, something absolutely shocking. 2 shocking things. The first shocking thing is Richard Roche in chat is going to be speaking with the U.S. Secret Service tomorrow because he found multiple sites selling fake Morgans and other U.S. Coinage, which is a Secret Service issue. But also, Master Stacker reported from the field today, and thank you, Microwave, for those jewels. Master Stacker was at a coin show today, and a dealer had fake American Silver Eagles. And some people say, how? Well, one, if you flipped them, they didn't flip right, because when you flip U.S. coinage, you flip it and it's oriented the correct way. It wasn't. But even worse, on the back, U.S. dollar, the dollar had 2 Ds in it. So, ladies and gentlemen, there's a way for you to protect yourself. You need to today. You need to trust but verify, but you need to protect yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, do it now. Fakes are getting so bad. Can you tell me which one of these Morgan silver dollars is fake? Which of these Mercury dimes is real and fake? Is this slabbed American Silver Eagle real? Look at this 90% Milwaukee Liberty. Ladies and gentlemen, all of those coins except this one, plated in gold, were fake. Either you can spend $3,500 plus on a Sigma Metalytics Verifier Pro, or you can invest in something that one of the Crustacean Nation created. It is the Pocket Pinger by Sound Money. Passed. That was the real one. Failed. That Walking Liberty. filled. Ladies and gentlemen, it's only $38. Link is in the description below. You get the pocket pinger, you get the stick, you get access to the free phone application. It's literal science. $38 can protect you from a fake silver coin, a fake gold coin, even fake silver bars, and 90%. And it helps support the channel too, so thank you so much. Click the link below. I believe it's mandatory for all stackers, and it's only $38. Protect your stack now. Breaking. Silver just took out our next target of 59.65 on a BGC, a big green candle. We're going even higher here, ladies and gentlemen, to 59.84. And then our next target after that is $60. You're literally seeing the battle for $60 silver before your very eyes, and gold now is on a green candle. It did partially close that gap, but we are on a green candle as well for gold. And that means further 68.59 ounces of silver to every ounce of gold as we push higher here, ladies and gentlemen. And Bullion Brent saying, run those likes up. Yes. Woo. Woo. Shee. Okay, let's see what we're at here. Okay, you might buffer. Just give me 1 second. You might buffer. 159. Guys, we have on this stream alone. Thank you so much. Wow. Ohau says, is it true you won the Crystal Light Championship this weekend, making you the 4-time champion? Well, I won my 4th one back in the 80s. Back in the 80s. And you might see a little snippet of that on the next big show. Let's see how far we are from the next big show. Let's see. I'm looking here. Guys, we're only 26 subscribers away from the next big show. And some say if you haven't seen a big show, you haven't lived, so you might as well subscribe and join the party. I'm giving away about 100 ounces of silver. A couple of weeks from now, 2 weeks from now, I'm going to release the video to enter it. But 100 ounces of silver to multiple winners. I'm giving away gold. I'm giving away copper. It's going to be a good one. So make sure you're subscribed. It Fits Magic says, Ball Guy had a great show today. Got to have him back on. Guys, do you want Ball Guy back in chat for Ball Guy money? Buffer, I hardly knew her, says Better Berkey. You guys are funny. I have a fever and the only prescription is a big show, says Bullion Brent. You know what, guys? Should we just do it? If you want to see a big show right now, put big show in chat. Channel members, you drop that emoji in chat right now. If you guys want a big show and enough of you demand it, if we break 59.84, we'll celebrate by doing a big show. How does that sound? How does that sound? You guys cool with that? We can celebrate. We can literally celebrate it. Now, don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be live at 7:45 a.m. in the morning, covering the breaking gold and silver news overnight. We're going to watch the continued battle for $60 silver in front of our very eyes. So I'll be open at 7:45 a.m. for the day trading session. I'll be live for the Big La Bamba, the Shanghai Futures Exchange, coming on at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. And then probably the stock market, maybe at 9:30, we'll see. It's going to be wild. It's going to be a wild stream in the morning, so make sure you subscribe to all those notifications because you're not going to want to miss that. And if we could take our next target here, silver, 59.84, we will celebrate with a big show. How's that sound? Yes, there is an SGT auction tonight. I think that's at 7, so that would be a good one. Give me 1 second here. Hold up. Give me okay, switch back to silver. Give me 1 second. I gotta make a quick. I'll be right back. You're gonna hear my mic turn off. I'll be right back. I'm back. Sorry about that. 1 second. Okay, I did it, guys. I did it. I had a reservation for 6:45. I just pushed it back to 7. Because I want to take out this next target and I want to do a big show. Who's with me? As we watch the battle for $60 silver before our very eyes, ladies and gentlemen. Yes! Keep smashing that like button. We are only 70 likes away from 600. The next 70 people to smash are going to get good luck for 5 months.
It's science.
Woo! Wow. Yes. And guys, at the end of this live stream, we're going to crab raid SGT stacking. SGT, are you in chat? When we end the live stream a little bit later, we will be going to SGT. We'll be flooding his chat with crabs, smashing the like button. That's always a fun thing to do. And guys, a lot of you on crab raids on this channel, what we do is we help out smaller channels in the gold and silver community. We go and we flood them. A lot of times you guys end up winning free silver and gold out of it. Someone won free gold the other night on a crab raid. So SGT, I'll give you like a 3-minute warning, SGT. I'll give you like a 2 or 3 minute warning, and then you just go live when I tell you, and we're gonna fill you with crustaceans. Not quite yet, but I'll tell you when. I still got like 15 minutes to go, guys. We still got 15 minutes to go and have fun here. Who's with me for the next 15 minutes? Okay, how about this? If you guys want a big show, there's 2 ways to make it happen. The first way is I've got a frog in my throat. The first way is to break our next target. If silver hits 59.84 while I'm still alive, that will be a big show. Or if we get, let's say 5 memberships gifted, we'll do a big show there as well. Hey, Mrs. IS. I pushed it back to 7, so we'll leave here like 6:45. Yes! Mrs. IS is doing the silver dance! She's doing the silver dance! Oh my goodness! And Brian just gifted 5 memberships, ladies and gentlemen! It's time for the big show!
Welcome to the 4th annual Crystal Light
Fourth
National
time.
Aerobic Championship, featuring regional finalists
Fourth
from all across
time.
the United States, competing for the title of America's Best Aerobic Athlete. Presenting the reigning 1987 Crystal Light National Aerobic Champion.
4th time.
Introducing the 4-time Crystal Light Champion, International Stacker.
And I hate to say it, no soup for Dom!
Please, sir, I want some more.
Here's the soup.
Good soup.
No soup for you.
Now in chat, Rod McKinn says, I need soup. Rod, you're green. Rod, you actually won soup. Rod, you've got soup, Rod. You're green. Ladies and gentlemen, if you think you need soup, if you don't know, and if you're green, that means you got soup. That means you have a channel membership. And Homa Stacker in chat needs soup, that's for sure. North Carolina Stacker needs soup. Alex says, what WTF is this channel about? So, that comment was okay, Lisa. That comment was okay. So Alex McMullen, what this channel is about is gold and silver. I travel the world on gold and silver adventures, having a good time, sharing the journey with you guys. A lot of times giving you guys free silver and gold. We watch the charts, help you read the tea leaves, bring in all the information you need, and we have fun. It was not that long ago that I was live streaming from the Nile River on an adventure to get gold and silver, and we literally got attacked by pirates.
Okay, this boat is coming like really close to us. Guys, he's gonna hit the boat. Oh, this is not good. Guys, it's a freaking pirate.
Oh my gosh, what's happening? All right, guys, look for art. Does anyone see an RPG in there?
Oh, he's selling things.
All right, it was an industrious salesman. It wasn't a pirate. It wasn't a pirate. It was an industrious salesman. We have fun and chaps, says Brian. There you go. Freeman says good times. Breaking, guys. Neophyte Krabby Crab only has 2 days of soup left, and then he'll need soup again. Whoa! Please, sir, can I have some? Wait, I got a sound effect for Neo's 2 days until he's soupless. Here it comes. Could you guys hear that? Could you guys hear that sound effect? Let me know. And ladies and gentlemen, we're about to take out our next target of 5984 here. Smash the like button if you're excited. The next 25 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 3 years.
It's science.
Flatlander says clothing is optional. I guess it is in main chat, but not in the war room. Bullion Brent says I have another fever and the prescription is more Daisy. Whoa. Hey, Pakistan Zinda, good to see you. Commander Craig says, yes, the sound effect came through. Okay, good. Keith Peavy House says, show the non-believers your stack. I can't right now. I'm in a hotel room. But normally I will. Normally I can. But I'm not set up for that right now. But ladies and gentlemen, we're back above the 50 and 200 simple moving average on silver. We're up 2.66% after a massive gap up, and we're about to take out our next target of 59.84. Gold is now starting to rage again after a massive gap up, back above the 50-200 simple moving average, up 0.95%. Gold to silver ratio plummeted, jumped off a cliff down to 68.5 ounces of silver. For every ounce of gold in the Big La Bamba is opening at 2.5 hours from now, right? 7, 8, 9, yeah. 9 p.m. Eastern tonight, this sucker opens back up. I won't be live for that, unfortunately. What's up, SGT? Not the warning yet, SGT. I'll give you a warning. Live. No Soup Dom says, what? Clothing is optional in the main chat? What the H?
What the hell?
Well, I don't know. I've always made the rule that clothing is not optional in the war room, but I've never delineated an actual rule for the main chat. So I think by default, it could be optional unless I set a new rule. I don't know. What do you think? I don't know. Thank you, Silver Fox, for the laughing sun, Jules. Thank you. Okay, guys, this is looking really strong here. This is looking very strong here. Silver Nudist Colony says fingers. Tim says, keep your pants on.
How dare you?
Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you want your silver and you want it now, make sure to call 1-877-CRAB now. JG Crabsworth, I think is his name, right?
It's my silver and I want it now.
It's my silver and I want it now.
My silver and I want it now.
If it's your silver and you want it now, let me know in chat. Here we go, guys. We're about to take out our next target here. Imminently, we're going to be taking this out on silver 59.84. Smash the like button if you're excited. Share the stream. Make sure to follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, INTL Stacker. If you want the breaking news all day, every day. Dom says, if that's the case, F it. That's funny. Thank you, Gary AU, for the jewels. You guys are funny. You guys are funny. I'm reading some of these comments, and you guys are funny. Thank you, Chris, for the jewels. Stack silver's thong, says Silver Pug. You can only wear silver thongs in the war room. Now you must be fully clothed in the war room.
How dare you?
International Stacker, what about the tanker that hit a mine? So dollar silver trader, I did cover that a little earlier. It's unconfirmed. It's being reported last I checked by the Iranians. Oops. So here we go. Here. Iranian state media claims an oil tanker exploded after striking a naval mine in the Strait of Hormuz after allegedly leaving Iran's designated shipping route. No ship name, flag, casualties, or ownership has been released, so it's not been independently verified. But a ship hitting a mine is not going to set things off again because those mines are already there. We basically have a temporary pause in military operations, and that's why silver's going crazy. We just took out our next target. We just took out our next target here on silver. Our next target here is going to be $60. Do we break $60 tonight? If you think we break silver $60 tonight, chat, put 60 in chat right now. 740 people watching. We are only 6 likes away from 600. The next 6 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 7 months.
It's science.
Look, I think we might take out 60, guys. I think we're going to take out 60 as long as something crazy doesn't happen. Like, if the president comes out and does a true social and says, we're launching a massive attack, you're going to see the opposite happen. So to be clear, not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. If there was a tweet right now that says, I have launched massive attack on Iran, blah, 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 whatever, you would see the opposite. You would see silver tank. You would see gold tank. You would see all the oils pop back up 6-7%. DXY, maybe it would pop. And that's not normally how it's happened in the past, but that's the situation we're in now. Thank you, Eric Williams, member for 7 months. Thank you, saying 60 this evening when Asia opens. I agree with Eric. I agree. If we don't take out 60 here soon, which I think we might soon, I think you could see 60 taken out when this guy right here, the Shanghai Future Exchange, opens at 8 p.m. Eastern. I think you could see that. If you agree with Eric, put Eric in chat. Oh, someone's trying to duel me. Hold up. Okay. Did Iran sink a ship loaded with silver? Hopefully not, Blake. Doubt it. Okay. Let's go back to X here, see what you guys are saying. John D. Lewis says, Wall Street has their bull, but International Stacker has the gator. Wow, look at that silver gator with bull horns. Thank you so much, John Lewis. And look at this from Next Exit. Literal crab invasion. Look at this. Literal crab invasion, grabbing some sort of spaceship. Is that a... Wow. Thank you for that, Next Exit. Is there anything else at the end? Okay. Look at my PR Trump. Good to see you again. Thank you for putting out the live stream. Sicilian Stacker, Shotgun Susie, thank you. Lewis, thank you. Sublime Mad Dog, thank you. Bullying Advocate, thank you for putting out that article. Pat Dolan, thank you for all the support on here. I bought one was a 10-ounce hand-poured bar. I bought one 5-ounce spot. Congratulations, Pat Dolan. What is this? I gave lettuce another chance. Still not safe. If you ate lettuce this week, put lettuce in chat right now. Buckle up for safety. This is when I was yelling buckle up. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Shotgun Susie, for putting that. Master Blaster said, hey, did you click on Alt? Thank you, Variable. Master Blaster. Gray Duck, thank you. Master Blaster saying that we're going to mine the sun. Okay, I think we're caught up there. Let's go here. Chances of a new ceasefire agreement soon between Iran and the United States appears to be on the rise once again, ladies and gentlemen. This is on Polymarket. This is where people could bet that things are going to happen. And it just went up 26%, saying there's a 75% chance that there will be a peace deal announced with Iran. What do you guys think? Dom, No Soup Dom says, I'm so desperate about getting soup that you will eat lettuce. Guys, Dom will eat lettuce to get soup. Wow. CENTCOM commander allegedly told the Pentagon and White House a possible next step would be resuming major combat operations to complete the 20% of targets that the U.S. military designated, but didn't strike during the Operation Epic Fury. Whoa. Wow. Emerald Coast Acker on here says, SGT is having attribute PM auction in 20 minutes. Yeah. Emerald Coast, we're going to crab rate him. We're going to crab rate him, Emerald Coast. Emerald Coast, we are going to crab rate him. He might start it a little early. And we are pushing higher on silver to our next target. Literally watching the battle for $60 silver unfold. $59.85, ladies and gentlemen. Dom is willing to eat lettuce soup. Wow. We got bar chart here saying stock futures getting sent to the moon.
Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars.
And Homa Stacker says, I will not stoop that low for soup. No lettuce. Wow. Canadian tariff raised premium on maples. Did it really, Freeman? Did it really? Chris says, I was on the blacklist, so I struck back by getting a Diamond Claw membership. Now look who's dumb. Wait. Good to see you, Chris. That's funny. Chris, I'm glad you got Diamond Claws. Who in chat has Diamond Claws? Thank you right now to all the Diamond Claw level channel members on this channel. All the channel members, viewers like you to help me do what I do. Thank you so much. Who's got the Diamond Claws? Let me know.
Diamond Claws.
Yes. Let's go. Let's go. A big again congratulations to Dog, Crab Dog Security, and Craig for getting the memberships. Guys, how's the backup music? Is it a good level? I'm like vibing to the music right now. I do it every live stream. I just vibe. I vibe. SGT, are you on here or are you already prepping? SGT, let me know if you're on here. Wyvern, thank you for the membership. That went to Shannon Prater. Congratulations, Shannon. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. Yeah, I've got a reservation in 15 minutes, but it's okay. We can take a little time, John. No soup, John. Thank you, though. Thank you for the reminder, though. Yeah. I'm not listed as Diamond Claws. Sad crab noise. Brian McDaniel, please email me internationalstacker@gmail.com and let me know, and I'll fix it. I do it all manually, so sometimes I miss. SGT, I'm going to be... okay, SGT, I need you to be live at, what is it, 44? I need you to be live at 48, SGT. I need you to be live at 48. Do green candles indicate more lettuce? Yeah, Sicilian, they do. This is all lettuce beans. No, it's not. This is the volume buying and selling on gold and silver. It's not lettuce. No, it's not. That's funny, Sicilian. MLZB channel. Oh, Crustacean Commander for 3 months. Well, sir, let me give you a salute. Happy Sunday, Crustacean Nation. Good to see you, MLZB. Let's get back to gold here. Okay, gold did. Let's see. Let's see here. Gold did legally take out the next target. Gold legally took out the next target of 4,093.15. So we're going to delete that. The next target for gold now will be 4,090. I mean, let's just bump that up to 4,100. There we go. There you go. I think that's good. Thank you so much for the jewels, Rod. Thank you. Now, don't forget, I am going to be live at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the morning with all the breaking news, what happened overnight, what happened with Shanghai. You're not going to want to miss that. We will watch Shanghai reopen again together in the morning and possibly the stock market. So subscribe to those notifications. Tomorrow's stream is going to be a heater. You want to be there. Let's go here. Okay, we're caught up there. Hold up. Let's refresh this. Oil fell sharply and stock futures rose after U.S. and Iran paused military strikes. And guys, this isn't like an official pause, like no agreement, but U.S. stopped striking and so did Iran. Wow. Smart Silver Stack here saying, looks like we get the Taco playbook again. Well, some think so, some think not. One thing's for sure, we're going to see it play out together. That's for sure. Nostra House of Gold freaking out. Just go back to here. Get the champagne ready, says EC. Stock market to 60. Wow. Oh, Neo renewed his membership. Thank you, Neo. Thank you so much for the support. Came for the silver, but left with crabs, says Chris Shimmick. Chris Shimmick did meet me in person not too long ago, and ladies and gentlemen, he did get some more crabs. There is not a prescription for that, unfortunately. Okay, guys, I'm going to be live at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the morning. Be there. I'm going to be up all night covering the breaking gold and silver news. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to hit the streets of Orlando right now with Rat Stacker, Mrs. IS. Thank you so much for your support. Please smash the like button on your way out. Now we're going to go Crab Raid SGT. When we get there, there's a link's going to pop up in the chat. It might redirect you as well. You might have to click it. We're going to flood the chat with crabs. Smash the like button and enjoy. Thank you so much, everybody. I'll say CYO. Tino, catch you on the next one. I'll see you in the morning.
I am never going to financially recover from this.